Hey guys, so I was reading your comment on my post where I was asking for your ideas for my new video. I have selected a comment by Tushar who suggested me, can we make a tiny car with a camera that we can control from our phone and see the live video feed? Well, in this video we are going to try to make it happen, so let's get started. This video is sponsored by LTM Designer, more on them later. First of all, we need a microcontroller that sports a camera and has a Wi-Fi capability. I'm using this Xiao ESP32S3 board from Seed Studio. It comes with a camera that can be directly mounted on the top and has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Along with this, we also need a motor driver, a LiPo battery, and these tiny 6mm gear motors. You can find the links of these items in the description box. Now we can move on to the next step, which is designing a body or chassis for this car. Now we have to 3D print all these parts. I'm using my Bamboo Lab Carbon X1 3D printer for this task. Okay, so 3D printing is complete. Now we have all the parts ready and we can begin with the assembly process. Okay, now our project is almost complete. There is just one step left, but before that I want to talk about LTM Designer. LTM Designer is a professional PCB designing software. Here you can create a wide range of simple to advanced circuits and PCB designs. With the help of LTM 365, you can upload your project to the cloud for easy access from anywhere or share them with your clients. That's not all, you can also try out their Octopart, the electronic part search engine, to find out components for your project at competitive price. You can get free trial of LTM Designer by clicking at the link in the description box. Okay, coming back to the topic, as you can see it's almost complete and it looks quite small in my hand. Now let's upload the codes and see how it works. Alright guys, our project is complete and I'm really excited to see it in the action. To connect it with your phone, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network named FPV car. Then open the browser, type this and hit enter. And there you go. Now you can use it with your phone and view the live feed from the camera. This was a really fun project to make, however there is a problem with the front motor, which causes it to turn slightly left when I press forward. These motors are quite fragile, so I didn't expect much from them. If I had used N20 gear motors, it would have worked better, but it will also increase the size of this project. So that's pretty much for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or ideas in the comment box. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah.